Oh, ducks! Who wants to play with me? Maybe I need a new way to make friends.
I smell adventure! And smelly shoes. Let's find the secret to making friends. But only lucky leprechauns can go to Lucky Land!
It's Lucky, come learn and play. We'll have lots of fun today. Oh, friends! Oh, hello, tree! Let's share! Why is making friends so hard?
Don't worry, I'll go to Lucky Land. My shoes are made for magic, not jelly. Okay, friends, it's time for some Lucky Land magic! Across the rainbow, quick as can be, in my pot of gold, come with me to Lucky Land, where feelings grow. Let's see what magic today will show! How can I make a friend if they're all hiding faster than my breakfast disappears? Hello? Okay, I'm gonna try the friendship wiggle dance. Here, do you want my shoe? Come here to me, Mr. Fox. Would you like a cookie? Should we play a game together? Can you do a friendship wiggle and make a silly face with us?
Sharing is caring, it's so true. When I share with you and you share too. You share too. A little kindness makes a bright day. So let's share and laugh and play. Laugh and play. Joy, smiles, or a helping hand. Being kind is oh so glad.
All right, if you want to make a friend, 1, smile. 2, wave. 3, say hi. And 4, share something silly like a dance or your favorite sock.
Hey, Lucky! Did you find the secret?
I did, Laz. Should we try it?
Hi! Do you want to play wobbly bench? Sharing is slime-tastic, gooey and fantastic. When you share with friends, the fun never ends. Sharing is slime-tastic, gooey and fantastic. When you share with friends, the fun never ends. Slime in my hair, slime on my nose. Sharing with Lucky, that's how it goes.
Slime on my shoe, slime on my chin. Sharing with Laz, let's both win.
Sharing is slime-tastic, gooey and fantastic. When you share with friends, the fun never ends. Sharing is slime-tastic, gooey and fantastic. When you share with friends, the fun never ends. Try your silliest hello and tell us who you wave to. Remember, every friend starts with one big silly hi. flashed and feelings flew. We learned how red and blue feel too. But now we face a brand new quest to cope with joy and do our best. Goodbye for now, we'll see you soon. Under the sun or with the moon. Numbers wait beyond the gate.
Let's go find Les and Lucky and celebrate.
Grab your fingers 1 to 10. We need to count and sing again. Magic learning never ends.